could build a general store, which is a store that has a bunch of random products all around it. You could build a one product store, which is a store that only focuses on selling one main product. Or you can build a hybrid store, which is what I recommend building. A hybrid store combines the benefit of a one product store and a general store. With a general store, you have freedom to test a bunch of products. And with a one product store, you're limited, but you're gonna have a higher conversion rate and people are gonna trust you much more than a general store. With a hybrid store, you're creating the same branded feel that a one product store would have, but with the freedom to test a bunch of products. I think it's better if I just show you an example. So this is a sample store that I created that would actually be perfect for the product I just showed you. The store is called Flora Flow. As you can see, it's pretty much focused entirely on home and garden based products. It has a nice branded design, it has a good logo, it's easy to browse and shop around, and overall it feels like a trustworthy site. I recently made a video on exactly how I built this store.